Hi, my name is Sheila Hill. I'm an intuitive life coach and a spiritual guide. Today I would like to talk to you a little bit about the most common, most powerful, and easy healing modality that I teach, encourage, and actually do myself. And it's called the quantum heart breath, or that's what I call it. So when you find yourself in a thought loop that is discouraging, that is troubling, that is creating anxiety, anger, anything that's pulling you out of the present moment and reminding you of who you used to be, or perhaps there is some emotion or trauma or something that is coming up within you that is looking for your attention so that it can be cleared. A very simple technique that you can do is put your hand on your heart, or both hands, do a heart hug, take a deep breath, release. I choose to love myself in this moment. Now, you can make this, customize this into whatever you want. And I know that everything about what I'm about to tell you, as I explain to you why this works, the ego mind is going to say, this is too easy. How can that be? Won't I be attracting more of what I don't want by acknowledging where I'm at when I don't want to be where I am? All of that is not true. Let me explain why this is so potent and why this works so well. When you touch your heart space, your heart is the center of everything that you are across all time and space. Your heart chakra is the portal to everything you've ever been, are, and ever will be. It is also called the sacred heart or the inner child. Whatever you choose to call it, it happens right here in your heart space. This is also your connection to all things and connection to each other, unity consciousness, oneness, source. It's all happening right here. So when you touch this part of the physical body, in essence what's happening is a neurological message is sent down through the body into the nervous system that says, oh, something's about to happen. And what is that something that's about to happen? The something that's about to happen is that you are about to take one deep cleansing breath. And if you feel you need more, then that's fine, but you only need one. One deep cleansing breath brings you back into your body and brings you into the present moment. Now you're going to again need to decide whether perhaps sometimes you're way off, out of alignment, off kilter, and maybe you need 2 or 3 heart breaths. You get to decide, but one heart breath, touching your heart, connection to all, connection to the body. Oh, what's going to happen next is I'm going to take one deep breath, and that's going to bring me back into my body and into the present moment. When you are in the present moment, fully and completely present in your intention, your mind, and your body, you are fully connected to the quantum field. So what are we going to do? We are going to impress upon the quantum field, the heart space, the mind, and the body, a message of love. I love myself in this moment. Now, you can choose to do this and customize it any way you wish. If you were angry or sad or frustrated, the same modality works, and I'm going to show you how to make that work for you in those now present moments. Say you're really angry right now, and you're aware as the observer self that your human and your ego is in anger. Same thing, hand on heart, deep breath, release the breath. You're in the present moment. I choose to love the parts of me that are angry right now. Now I know to the ego mind that sounds counterintuitive, but what you're actually doing is you are being present fully with whatever is presenting. That allows what is presenting as an energy frequency to move through you and dispel and release much quicker than if you were wandering around with angry thoughts in your head going, what is wrong with me? Why can't I get out of this mood? I'm so angry. I'm angry at this and I'm angry at that. And why did he say this? And why did she do that? Instead of feeding the anger or trying to stop the anger from happening, simply being with it, accepting it fully in the now moment that is the quantum field that everything exists and every part of you exists, acknowledging it and overriding it with love is all you need to do. Same thing with sadness. Hold your heart, deep breath. I love the parts of me that are sad right now, because all they are aspects of my human condition. They're not all that I am, and all that they want is acknowledgement and love. Every part of us that shows up being angry, disappointed, frustrated, sad, any form of any angst whatsoever is only because we're not being in the present moment and we're not acknowledging it for what it is. It is simply an energy that is a part of the human experience. Honor it fully, love it to death, and allow it to release. Now, some stories, some situations, some observances that you have of yourself in any moment might require a little more work. Perhaps some journaling, perhaps one-on-one session work, whatever that might be. But I want you to have this incredibly powerful tool, and I want you to understand how powerful it is so that you can do this while you're driving your car, at the grocery store, while you're at work, whenever you find yourself out of alignment, entertaining thoughts that are too far ahead, anxiousness, entertaining thoughts that are so far behind, depression, anger, any of those emotions that you may be experiencing or thought loops that you come into awareness as the observer of self can be met with this beautiful, beautiful quantum healing self-love modality. Hold the heart, take the deep cleansing breath, bring yourself back into the body, into the present moment. I love the parts of me that are, and whatever it is, fill in the blank. You will find the more often that you do that, you are overwriting and overriding more and more often the disempowering programs that you hold within your unconscious mind, and you are allowing for the release of any density that is trying to come up to be released within you. It is so incredibly powerful, and all you have to do is meet yourself wherever you happen to be. No matter what mood you're in, no matter what you're experiencing, meet yourself fully in that now moment. And do the heart breath. Overwrite, override, love, accept, and come in complete presence with whatever shows up. I love you so much. On to the next video. Bye for now.